Sacramento's immigration court is shrinking following a wave of terminations that hit immigration courts nationwide in September.
What it appears right now, anyway, is most of the judges that have been terminated were hired between 2021 and 2024. And not all of them, but a lot of them are on their probationary period, which is 2 years.
The Executive Office for Immigration Review did not confirm how many immigration judges were dismissed in Sacramento. However, internal emails shared with members of the American Immigration Lawyers Association in Northern California confirmed that judges Allison Daw and Print Maggard are no longer employed. Multiple sources, including Blake Nordahl, a clinical professor at McGeorge School of Law, say Loreto Geisy, appointed in 2004, was also terminated this month.
In the Sacramento Immigration Court, it's a small court. There's 8 judges as of last week. Now there's 5. So we've lost more than 30% of the judges at the Sacramento Immigration Court.
Matt Biggs with the International Federation of Professional and Technical Engineers, a union that represents immigration judges, says the cuts have sent shockwaves to sitting judges.
It sends a chill message throughout the immigration judge corps.
Since opening in 2019, Sacramento's immigration court has been served by 11 judges. Today, that number is down to 5. The reduction comes as the National Immigration Court backlog worsens. More than 3.4 million cases were pending as of August.
When you, as a nation, as a government, when you go down the road of denying due process rights to anyone, we should all, as Americans, be concerned about that.
With no updates on new appointments, concerns are growing about delays in due process, especially as the Trump administration continues efforts to deport millions of undocumented immigrants.
People should have their day in court. And that's a system that we believe in, right? Present your case, and if you meet the merits, you should have your opportunity granted. But what we are seeing is a concern that due process is slipping away in the immigration courts.
Marisela de la Cruz, KCRA 3 News.
KCRA 3 has not heard back from the Sacramento-based judges who are no longer employed by the Executive Office for Immigration Review. That office declined to comment on personnel matters and told KCRA 3 that, quote, any immigration judge can hear a case at any time throughout the country to assist with caseloads.